Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix when keeps restarting on Infinix Smart 10 Plus or Smart 10 HD. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting and click on My Phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, click on System. Click on Reset Phone. Click on Erase all data and click on Factory Reset. Enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to App Library. Go back and just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.